Hello everyone, a very good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. In this video, like the previous all the videos, we will be talking about the price action and what can happen tomorrow. And guys, I want to tell you, if you have been a subscriber of this channel, then our subscribers are making good profit almost daily. It's not that we don't hit stop losses, we do hit stop losses, but the price action which we discuss has resulted into people making profits. And why our success ratio is higher on the higher side, the only reason behind that is because we trade with the trend. We don't trade against the trend. We always make it a point to identify a bias that what we are going to take the next day. So in this video also, we'll be talking about that what Nifty exactly is doing. And one more very important thing, I'll be covering a brief analysis of Bank Nifty also, because most of the subscribers ask that to cover. Why I don't trade in Bank Nifty is because from the very starting, I have been liking Nifty more. The volatility in Bank Nifty is quite much, and I don't like taking tensions. I keep things very simple because if I'm earning profits from keeping things simple, I don't need complicated things. I don't need money in a quick manner. I want money in a steady manner, but in a continuous manner. Because if Bank Nifty provides you huge profits, it can give you huge losses as well. That is but obvious. Now let us discuss that how we will trade tomorrow, what can be the expected movement from Nifty tomorrow, and what is the trading plan. I'll be giving you an entire trading plan with proper logics. Yet this is the reason and this is why we are doing this. So it will be covering a complete learning. If you are new to the channel, kindly like this video when you are watching it. Also subscribe to the channel, and I request all of you to at least see the past 7 videos to understand the quality of this channel. I assure you that if you will be like regularly watching the videos at least for 7 consecutive videos, you won't be able to leave the channel. I'll be giving you such kind of content that you won't be able to leave it. Now let's see that what we discussed in the previous video. I've made a last video on Friday for Monday. For today, I was not able to give a video. Now let us see what we discussed for Monday and what actually happened. Everyone in stock market was very much bullish, seeing the movement of Nifty and seeing the closing of Nifty on like you can say Thursday. But I was the one, people were posting that it will be a big Monday and all, but I was the one who said you that even if SGX Nifty is showing a gap up, don't be super bullish and wait for a 15-minute candle close on this red area. This red area may be plus or minus, I have redrawn it, so it may be plus or minus, it is slightly up or down, but it was somewhere. If I tell you the exact level was 15,900. I requested all my subscribers not to blindly go for a CE till the time 15-minute candle does not closes above 15,900. Let me draw the level. Yes, it's now 15,900. Now you can see that the first candle did close, but it was not a proper candle, which I always tell my subscribers. To consider that a candle has closed above the resistance, you have to see at least this kind of candle. These kind of candle closes above the resistance do not qualify the proper closure above the resistance. These are indecision candles and does not tell much about a breakout. You can see the market opened above this, slightly above this, and the very first candle was similar to this candle, and the entire day the market was not able to break this level. Many of the people who anticipated that 15,900 will be broken and we will be seeing a rally made losses due to time decay or due to hitting stop losses, but most of the PHI members did not took a CE trade because the action plan did not work and we did not decided in this manner. So the plan worked very well. We did not make any big profits, but we even did not make any big losses. We did not make any losses on Monday. So now let us see that how Nifty can behave tomorrow. For that, let us do a multi-time frame analysis and try to identify some of the key levels. What are the key levels? Key levels are those levels which have reacted or given Nifty big movements in the past. You need not draw all the support and resistance. You need to identify only the key levels. As you can see over here, two of the key levels are already marked on the chart. You can see market was creating a support over here. Then it broke down from here. Then it created a base over here. Then this support started working as a resistance. Market tried again. It created a cup and a handle pattern. It again created a resistance over here. Then it gave a breakout of this area and faced resistance at the previous key level. So these are some of the key levels which are into our consideration. Now market has again came back to the previous key level, which was earlier working as a support, then as a resistance, and then again as a support. In the previous video, I also told you, if you haven't seen, that this when market was somewhere over here, I said on Friday that market can give you a movement like this, because market never moves in one direction, it always moves in a zigzag position. So I anticipated that we can take a rebound from here and then start moving up. So till now, these are the key levels which we need to keep in mind and try to keep things very, very simple. As we understand over here that the level of this level 15, we can see the high. Let us mark the high and take it to the top. Let us move to line to the top only. This is the high for today. You can see this is the high for today. This is 15,920. On the safer side, let us take it as 15,925. This is the level on the upside where the market is not able to break for so many times in the past. This is an hourly chart and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the fifth time market has got rejection from here. Now what shall be the action plan for tomorrow? Let us go to the 5-minute time frame and quickly conclude the Nifty analysis and then quickly move to the Bank Nifty analysis. Market today opened gap down, as we all know. Then it came to an area which I showed you on hourly was a support plus resistance multiple times. It gave you proper price action to enter. In the Telegram channel yesterday also, I clearly mentioned that in case of gap down can be only tricky situation and the dynamics can change. And it changed, the market reversed and gave you all the signals. Let us go to the line chart to understand this. We have understand the importance of this level. On this level, when the market was regularly making lower highs and lower low, at exactly the major key level, it created a double bottom, which was not seen anywhere over here. It was seen at the key level. Then it started creating a new high and a new low. And these were the only signals which gave you price action confirmation that market can go up from here. Many traders who understand this, who have been following us from a very long time, took a trade somewhere over here. I personally also took it. Keep a stop loss below this key level or below this double bottom and traded till here. Why I traded till here and not till here is because I also don't know how to catch the bottom. I know how to find a perfect entry and a perfect exit, but I don't know how to catch the bottom and the top. I understood that this is the previous key level wherein market has taken support. I anticipated that because this area was working as a support, there are every chances that it will work as a resistance. Over here, market created a double top kind of a situation. I exited. Uske baad it was a fall, which I updated in the Telegram as well, that this is a key level. Everyone who is holding a CE position, kindly stay cautious. Immediately after that, the market falls and it again recovered, but there is no regret. I made profit. I made profit in a perfect manner and I am enjoying that. Okay. So this is the importance of key level. Whenever you start trading, you need to identify those key levels. Now let us understand that what can be the possible scenario tomorrow. Market is in a kind of a range. From the top, it's facing resistance, like over here, and from the bottom, it's facing support. So it's a range bound market right now. If market opens flat and crosses above 15,925, you can sit into a CE, keeping a stop loss of 15,890, or you can say 15,900. Below 15,900, you can keep a stop loss and keep on trailing that stop loss on the upside. The target will be as informed in the previous videos as well, the previous key level. Whatever the key level comes first will be the first target. You can see this is the level which comes first after this, that is somewhere around 16,200. So this is if the market opens flat, right? What if market opens gap up above 15,920? Then also the scenario will be same. After watching the price action, if price consolidates over here and like breaks the first key level created on intraday basis, we can sit into a CE. The stop loss will be same. Our bias right now is taking CE only because market is on a hourly chart in an uptrend. The major time frame, the bigger time frame which is required for intraday, hourly is sufficient. We need not see daily every time. But on hourly also we can see that the market is creating higher highs and higher lows. So we are taking a position of CE in conformance to the major trend. So this is one of the additional benefit we are having in a trading, and it adds an advantage to our trading that we come out of profit most of the time. So now let us see what can be the possible scenario of a gap down. If market opens gap down and closes below this key level, that is the key level, let me tell you the exact level, 15,700, then only we are going for a PE. Another possibility can be that market opens flat, but this is a risky possibility I'm telling you because the market has been range bound. Here also we have seen a small movement, and today also the movement was not that much, but yes, market has not been trending that much. So if market opens flat and give you rejections over here somewhat like this and break the neckline, you can sit into a PE only in this situation. Stop loss shall be very strict, immediately above 15,900, whatever your risk appetite is, but this will be a risky trade. Another chance of taking a PE will only be below this level, or you can consider taking a PE below this level because this level has worked as a support twice and also as a resistance. So below this we can also consider a PE, but the first target shall be very small, that is low of today. So this is the entire analysis of Nifty 50. Now let us quickly move to Bank Nifty. Now let us see and identify the key levels on one more thing which I missed out in Nifty. When we took a position over here, there was an additional confirmation which I told you in the secret of stock market video. If you haven't watched that video, I'll pin that video in the end of this video. You should watch it. You can see that over here when we took an entry over here at a perfect entry, when we took it over here, the RSI was also showing divergence. Over here the price was creating a new low, however the indicator was creating a higher low. So there was a bullish divergence seen over here which added a confluence. The first confluence is the presence of a key level, then a double bottom at that key level, then a indicator confluence. Even if we didn't knew this, till then also we would have taken this trade because we are taking the trade in direction of the main trend, that is hourly trend. We have proper key levels, proper price action, and also volume was confirming. So this is all about Nifty. Let us quickly move and complete the analysis of Bank Nifty. I hope you will like the Bank Nifty analysis as well as much you like the Nifty analysis. You can see that there is one key level on the chart which anyone can identify with the naked eyes. Let me draw that level for you guys, and you need to identify those levels only which are clearly identifiable with naked eyes. Let me draw it on the chart for you. So this is the key level which I can see on naked eye. Why it's a key level for me? Why it's a key level for me? Because this level has been working as a resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, and it also worked as a support yesterday. Market gave a breakout of this area over here, lekin could not sustain above this area, and now again has come below that key level and again facing rejections from this area. So what shall be the trading plan for tomorrow? The trading plan is very much simple. Let us go to the 5-minute time frame to understand this. And there are proper logic. On hourly, we can see that the trend is an uptrend. Market has been forming a short-term uptrend rally. Very short-term, but it's an uptrend. Market has been creating higher highs and higher low. So we will be having a bias of PE only, but I'll tell you that when to take a PE. Now, one thing very important, guys, I always tell you, when a support is broken, it starts working as a resistance. You can see that the yesterday low is exactly, you can draw a straight line with the help of a tool, is exactly working as a resistance. As soon as market touched this area, it gave a hammer pattern, an inverted hammer pattern, and market followed. You can also see a divergence over here. No, it's not a divergence, I'm sorry. But you can see the price action forming over here. And if you shift to the line chart, let me show it on a line chart to you. You can clearly see, which you were not able to see on a candle chart, that there is a formation of a double top pattern, which one you're not able to see on a candlestick chart. There was a hammer pattern being seen, but this was an added confirmation. In these cases, what you have to do is, trading is always a game of probability. If you're seeing a key level over here, you're seeing a bearish pattern over here, you can take an entry over here, keep a stop loss above the candle which you considered as a bearish candle, and take an entry. As soon as that stop loss hits, you need to exit, because the reason which you considered for taking a bearish trade has not materialized or has not converted as the way you wanted to, right? So now let us see that what can happen tomorrow. We can clearly see that this level over here was working as a support, and then this level over here is working as a resistance. Till the time market does not cross above today's high, let us mark the today's high and see what it is. I don't trade in Bank Nifty. I won't be updating live on this chart, but for you, your guidance, I'm telling you that till the time market does not cross above 33,750, we are not going for a CE. If market opens flat and closes above 33,750, you can take a CE position, keeping a stop loss 20-30 points below this, keeping the targets on the next key levels like this, and keep on booking them. What if market opens gap up above this area? Then we need to see the price action. If market sustains above this, take support as this area and create a bullish candle formation, then we can again go for a CE. The target shall be remaining same, stop loss with the same strategy. Now, what shall be the criteria for getting into a PE? If market opens flat or gap down, till the time this trend line is not broken and this horizontal line is not broken, you are not sitting into a PE. The logic being, market is right now creating a triangle kind of a pattern. We want a breakdown of this level also and a breakdown of the horizontal support area also. If market moves down of this area and creates a retest and creates a bearish red candle, then that will be the signal to take an entry. This retest strategy will help you save yourself from fake breakout. The first target, or I can see the maximum target on the downside, will be this only, that is the low of today. I don't see market breaking the lows it created tomorrow, but if it breaks, then you can, as it is, find the key levels. I use the mechanism in this video. So I guess you guys are learning, because that is the main motive. Our motive is not to make you trade. Our motive is to make you learn the price action. And the good news is, guys, that you can use this price action on any chart, whether it's Eicher Motor, whether it's Tata Steel, whether it's Radico Khaitan, any good company, you can apply this price action. I taught you this price action in 5 minutes. You can apply this price action on 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. That's your choice. The main part is learning, and if you are learning, our motive is solved. If you are liking our efforts, kindly like this video, share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next video with profitable outcomes. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.